White 2012 Ford Explorer Limited FWD. 4-cylinder engine. Equipped with voice-activated navigation system and black leather interior with heated seats. Additional features include dual-panel moonroof, remote start, push-button start, sync, Sony sound system, power-fold third-row seat, rear-view camera, home link, reverse sensing system, keyless entry keypad, perimeter alarm, ambient lighting, power liftgate, all-weather floor mats, power adjustable pedals with memory, Sirius XM satellite radio and so much more. Prices may vary due to manufacturer's rebate incentives. 1 year free maintenance when you purchase this vehicle with us. Let me show you how easy it is to purchase a new vehicle at Courtesy Ford. Have special finance needs? Go to www.bettercarcredit.com. Programs available to secure your financing at the best rates. Apply now to see if you qualify. Visit us today and see why we're the preferred Lansing Ford dealership.